Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look. Hello, hi, that is my everyday makeup look. And I just want to show you guys how I do it because I get a lot of questions about it when I'm out in public and when I'm, I know friends are asking me and colleagues and stuff, and I just want to let them know what I do, what I use, just because I get a lot of compliments on it, so I'm here for you. So let's just shabing shabang shaboom into the video. Alrighty, so the first thing that I do to start off my makeup is I use this Coco Shea Cucumber. It's really refreshing mist or something. Really refreshing all over mist. And this is honestly just from Bath & Body Works. I just really like it because it's so refreshing, like it says. It actually does what it says. Yeah. I just use this all over my face before I start my makeup. I don't really use a moisturizer or a primer. My skin is oily, but I've found my trick to combat that. So if you would like to know how to do that, then I can always do that in another video. But this is just how I start my makeup. It doesn't mean that you have to start yours this way. If you're wondering, Hannah, where's the primer? I don't got it, girlfriend. It ain't here. Just gonna start by spritzing it all over my face. Woo! Refreshing. So that's how I started that. And then I go in with my foundation, and here I am using the Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the color light beige. I personally do not use a beauty blender. I have one here. I don't actually use it on my face. I use this half-chewed brush from Morphe. It's just a flat brush like this. It looks really gross. I'm so sorry. Just a flat brush. So I'm gonna start by putting that on my face. So I just put a little bit on my brush, and then I dab it all around the face here. Okay, and then I'll just start blending it out. Now it's a little bit darker than my neck right now because, again, I just put on my self tanner. 90% of the time I will just put the foundation down my neck because I want it to match. And I put it on my ears as well. Make sure you get a little bit into that hairline because if you're super white like me, you know. Yeah. If you know, you know, you know. So next I'm going to be, oops, that's not the right one. See, when you get the both of the Kat Von D shade and light thing, it's just the contour palettes, it's just confusing because they look the exact same. So here I have my Kat Von D palette here. You can obviously tell which color I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to contour my face right now. I do both cream and powder contour. I just like that more dramatic effect, so that's just what I'm doing now, okay? And again, I'm just using this half-eaten flat brush. Thank you, puppy. Oh, I even push it again into my ear as well. Okay, and then I just kind of take what's on my brush here and I'll do my nose, down the sides of my nose here. I don't know if you can see it. My ear's over here chilling, so at me for a terrible setup. There we go. Okay, next. Quick. And then I'm gonna just take some here on my chin. And now we're gonna move on to the baking. So I don't really bake with baking powder, not the actual baking powder. So I just use a sponge here. It's not damp or anything. It's legit just a sponge, okay? Yeehaw. And I'm going to push this to my under eyes. I know you're supposed to technically have a damp beauty blender, but if it works for my skin, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. And I have tried the other one before, but I feel like it's hit or miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The Too Faced foundation is already pretty matte, so it kind of just works. I need to keep that matte so that I don't have oily skin. You know how it is. So I just do it this way. Just know there's other ways to do it as well. And then I'm going to do my forehead as well. Oh my gosh. Just that area there. My chin. Basically, oh, this area right here, that's the oiliest. And then I'm going to go straight down my nose a little bit. Oh, hello. Bonjour. This is turning out pretty messy, but whatever. We're over it. And then I'll do a quick swipe. Oh, girl, she's aggressive today. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Sure. That works. We'll leave it there. We'll just stop there. So I'm basically just setting all the spots except for where I'm going to put my bronzer. So now, can you guess what we're going to do? Bronzer, 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 bronzer. Yes, we're going to do some bronzer. Okay? Then I'm going to be taking the Morphe angled brush here. It was in some Fave kits or something like that. Whatever it is. Not really sure. I got it around Christmas. And then I'm going to be taking the Shadow Play. I think that's that one, which is the middle one. The middle one right here. I'm going to be taking that one. Oh, you got a little bit of reflection. Okay. And just gently doing that, okay? This looks really ridiculous right now, but I promise you it doesn't look like ridiculous like that when I'm done. Or you wouldn't be thinking, hey, wow, that was a nice thumbnail. Maybe I should watch it. You'd be like, whoa, this girl does not know how to do her makeup. I just do a quick brush here and here, down the nose a little bit, you know, because we want our faces to look like this. Yeah. There we go. And then I'm going to do... Does anyone else's nose start running when they do bronzer? Because mine does. I'm going to take this again from the Morphe Face Fave brushes. I'm just going to do that. I don't even know what this is. Just like a blush brush, I guess. I'm not too fancy with the terms. And then I'm going to go back over my eyes and stuff. And I'm going to just set them as well. Just make sure everything is where it is supposed to be. Okay? Alrighty. Now we're going to move on to some blush. Am I proud of this? No. Do I use blush? Clearly not. So this is probably from like 1981. Just kidding. This is legit probably like as old as me though. It's probably my mom. I don't really use blush. I don't know. It's not really my thing. Some people look bomb with blush. I find I'm not one. So I just use it to like bring a little bit of color so it's not just like bam, just bronzy color. Moving on. Now I'm going to move on to highlighter. The Sun Dipped Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Okay? So as you can see, I use a lot of this color. Are we going to use that color today? No, actually we're not, if you answered yes. Good try. We're actually going to take the bronzed one. The bronzed one here, okay? I was terrified to use that color. I'm not going to lie. And then I was watching somebody, I can't even remember who anymore. But then they were like, oh yeah, to give you that like extra bronzy look, use the darker color. And I was like, used. Love. Okay. Alrighty, so that's just what I'm going to do here. Ugh. Did you see that? I just poked myself in the eyeball. So next I'm going to be taking this little Hoola bronzer here, the Benefit Hoola. Awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to take this in my crease here. And this is just kind of like, what do they call this? Contouring your lids. Oh my gosh, I didn't do this part of my hands. Well, this one looks like it's done. This one's not. That's funny. What's they're doing? Nice. Just pulled all my hair out of my ponytail. Lovely. So this is just because I'm not really doing anything with my eyes besides seeing. Me putting any extra makeup on. Next I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I'm going to move on to eyebrows now while I let my eyelashes dry because, honey, getting mascara just isn't the thing. Okay, so now we're going to move on to some lashes. So I am using Lily Lashes. They are, sorry, there's hair on it. They are Lily Lashes. They're all over the place in the box right now. They're having a party, clearly. They're having a party. So they're Lily Lashes and they're in Miami. The lash glue that I use is honestly not the one that's in this container. Look how gross this container is. It's just black eyelash glue from Walmart. It's pretty basic and it does the trick for me. I really liked how you have a stick to applicate. So here they are when they're on. I love these lashes. They're my favorite. They're so extra, but I just love them. Like, and to finish off my makeup here, I'm just going back in with my mascara and I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. I always do this after just in case my eyes start watering and then you have mascara dripping down your face and then it's just a whole other problem itself. So this concludes my everyday makeup tutorial. This is just what I do on days that I actually put makeup on, and this is just kind of my go-to for going out. Simple, nothing crazy, when it's actually something special and important. Obviously I can glam this up a little bit more. Just hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. We're going out. Bye! Peace!